Hey there, Escambia County Public School teachers. So the grade posting window, it's closed, but you realize a student's grade needs to be changed. Maybe you're feeling a little stressed and you're asking yourself, what do I do now? Well, don't be, because it's a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. And today, we're going over how to initiate a grade change request in Focus. From your portal screen, go to Final Grades and Request Grade Changes. When this screen appears, the first thing you want to do is choose the correct student from your dropdown. Next, you're going to pick the correct marking period here, and when you do, your posted grade is going to populate. Scrolling over to the side, you're going to be able to add that new grade. So under the column, type your grade, and then the letter grade will populate. You're going to need to add an explanation, and then you must choose the reason code. Now here's the teacher tip. Expanding this box here will bring up this screen. You may find it easier to work from here. You still have your drop-downs for both reason code, term, and then when you're ready, click the Create button and it will populate above. Now it's still yellow because we haven't gone to the top and clicked our Save button. So we're going to do that now. A reminder, best practice is for your gradebook grade to match your posted grade, so keep that in mind. You can also scroll over to the side and check the status of your grade change request, when it's approved and by whom, or if it's denied. And now you've requested a grade change in Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video here on the side and fill out our content form so we keep creating those videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.